Mark, you got the mic? Is that okay? All right. I lost a perfect song today. My paper napkins blew away. My Grammy-winning lyrics flew down 7th Street. I think it talked about my dad, all the things he never had. He found out much later he just didn't even need. It said, "Do you know I love you? I'm proud to be your son." When they ask about my heroes, I say you're the only one. I lost another song today. The waitress took my tray away. My masterpiece was written on the paper mat. It talked about my dearest friends, how I am, how I think of them, and how they stood right by me as time goes on. It said, "I love you, you know I love you. Brother that I never had, always be there for you, in good times and bad. These paper napkins blew away, all my paper napkins blew away. I lost another song today. I threw my paper bag away. I thought about it as I turned on Walnut. It said I'd like a beer or two, but you know this rounds on you. And oh yeah, you pick me up when I'm down and blue. I mention cars and fishing. When I'm working, I'm just wishing. Now I'm wishing that you'd come around another day. These are things I'd like to sing to you. These are things I'd like to say. I tried to write them all down for you, but my paper napkins blew away. My paper napkins blew away. All my paper napkins blew away.